Hi guys, it's me Zishan. Today we're going to continue the Rubik's Cube. How to solve the Rubik's Cube like this. Okay, I finished the part 1 and this is the part 2. Okay, so after that, when I showed you that we made a white cross at the bottom, that's we did it, and we're going to solve the corners now. Okay, let's do it. So to solve the corners, we need to check where the corners are for each of them. For the red, there it is for this red. Okay. So what do we need to do is here we need to put it like this, like this. Okay. Put it like this. Now where is the red? It's over here. Get it over here, and back down. And now it's here. Again, here, here. Nice. Here you're done. But we have it's the wrong red. It should be over here. I took the wrong sides here. It should be here. Look at this. The white spot, it should either have made it like this. Now you need to get it back down there. Now, so the same thing. When it's over, another is over here for me. I'll do the same thing. See, there's a red over here. Sorry. Hey, over here too. Look at this. Now the thing that when the white color is not here but somewhere else. My white color is on the top over here, and you want to get it over here. You gotta do the same thing. Do this and do this. And you got the white color on the bottom. Let's go to the next. But on the next, hey, that should be the next part. Okay, so see you on the next part. Bye.